Hi, this is Boy from Bicle.com, and we're at Taipei Cycle Day 2. I'm sitting here with Marthijn from Balveren, owner and inspirator of Basil and Mick. Hello.
Hi,
First question for you. Why are you here at Taipei Cycle?
I'm here because I'm here at the booth from Marthijn, our friends, which we started a cooperation with for a few years for a new carrier system called Mick. So now it's developing quite rapidly, and we're introducing now here our new Basil commuter carrier.
Commuter carrier.
Yeah.
So, and that is that your latest product also?
Yeah, it's new for Basil, a carrier in this way. We developed it in Holland together with a design agency, and we developed it also together with partners like Spaniga for the lights, and Tracify for the GPS system, and of course Marthijn as producer for the carrier.
So a whole collaboration of different companies making one commuter carrier.
Yeah. So we focused on the commuter, which we think is one of the main target groups, which growing rapidly worldwide.
Yeah.
People are using their bicycle more often to cycle, which I think personally is a very good thing. Very healthy, and good for the environment and good for the world. So that I think it's positive. So we designed a complete carrier around the way of living a commuter does.
All right. And what is the direction the company will go? Will it focus also more on commuters? Will it keep focusing on that target group?
Well, what we try to do, or what we pretend we are doing, let's go this way, is that we try to stand in the shoes of the consumer. We got different kind of target group within our company, and the commuter is one of the most important. Yeah. But it's also a role somebody is doing, not all day. So you're a commuter, and sometimes you're a recreational cyclist in the weekend. So you got different kind of roles. Yeah. And but commuting is, we think, one of the focus things we're going for. We got our new backpack, also called the Be Safe, also for commuters.
Yeah. Focus on safety as well.
Yeah. Safety, visibility.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw it, by the way. The bag, it's a great looking bag.
Thanks.
Yeah, it really is. My last question. What is your take on the future of e-mobility? Could you answer that in 2 sentences?
I hope it will become a mind-shifting thing in the world, because if e-mobility gets stronger, it helps saving the world, and I think that's very important. And I think it's not 2 lines anymore, sorry. And I think that it's already happening. When you look at a city as Antwerp in Belgium, we know with dealers we know they're selling a lot of high-end e-bikes for people using their bike to go to work instead of a car. So and of course e-mobility has also involved cars, but the car still has the volume of a car and not from a bicycle. Yeah. So I think and I hope e-mobility will really be big.
Thank you for that answer.
You're welcome.
We actually there are several developments that we have been carrying on. For example, we've been carrying on our very light-end road racing frame because we have a team. Another one is basically the hottest topic that people are talking about, the e-bike. And as you know, e-bike has taken up almost 40% of the market share, even in Holland. I just read one of the articles 2 weeks ago. So we should not be disappearing from this kind of mainstream about the developments. So actually one of our very important development here in Taiwan is we have to provide a variety choice of the e-bike, and we have to also develop our own in-tube frame, a lot of development that has been carrying on because we understand that this is the future of our company, and also this is the future for the bicycle industry because it's very friendly to the environment, very friendly to the aged people like me. So e-bike really motivate people go back to the saddle and enjoy their biking a lot.
I'm here with Dr. David Han, founder and CEO of DAHON. Hi, and thanks for your time.
Hi, well, my pleasure.
That's great. First question, why are you here at Taipei Cycle?
Well, because we've been here since the beginning, that's 30-some years ago, every year. And there's a lot of good friends, a lot of suppliers that we work with, and a lot of customers from all over the world.
So what do you show them this year? What is new?
Well, we have a lot of new things this year, new parts, new frames, and also new programs.
New programs?
Yes.
Could you explain a little bit more about that?
Well, we have two major programs. One is called technology sharing. The other is called bike sharing.
Bike sharing and
Yes.
technology sharing.
Yes.
All right.
They both have a sharing word in it. They, in different stages, perhaps, of time. The technology sharing is that we've been very successful in making and designing folding bikes and selling them. But a lot of people are now selling folding bikes as well. And many of them, you know, in different degrees, copy our things in different ways. And now we are making parts, foldable parts, from frames to hinges to all kind of things available to these people, and allow them to, you know, with a laser sticker in each one, and allow them to mention, you know, let's say DAHON frame or DAHON handlebar, so they can elevate two things. One is the conceived value, perceived value of their product, because they can mention us once in the advertisement. But secondly, would actually improve the quality, especially safety quality, for their products.
So you could say it's a win-win, both for you and for people who use it.
And win-win-win.
Win-win-win,
Yes.
even, triple win. That's awesome. So my third question is, what direction will the company go? What direction will DAHON go in the future?
So in that particular program, we want to be a kind of a supplier, premium supplier of foldable parts and frames and other kind of technology related to foldable.
So you're
foldability.
leaving the complete bike?
Not leaving.
Is that
but
what I hear?
No, not leaving. We'll continue to supply our own brand of bikes. We want to continue to promote the DAHON brand, but that brand has been promoted for a lot of years and people know about it, except they cannot get our technology very easily. So I think there's another factor is that most folding bikes are made in China, and China has been, sorry, Mr. Xi, notorious for IPR protection. But also maybe thanks to Mr. Xi, he's been very, very determined to make a change, partly from a pressure from trading partners such as the United States, and partly from internally because he wanted to promote a so-called innovative economy, and you cannot do so without protecting IPRs.
So instead of shielding your products from that market, you say, let's open up
Yes.
and have those products used
Openly and legally.
Openly and legally.
Right.
Yeah, that's very important.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
Why we are in the Taipei Cycle? Because this year is our 50 years anniversary, and we want to provide the best chain for each of the rider. That's what we want. Our latest product is non-roller designs chain for 11 speed, and this is the brand new product for 2019.
Okay, this was already day 2. We've had a long day. It was a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to slam the like button and subscribe. See you tomorrow.